Hello friends, are you still manually using equal to sum every time when you work in Excel? If yes, you are wasting your valuable time. Welcome to the channel Gyanki Academy. Excel has a built-in AI AutoSum shortcut that can instantly finish hours of work in just a second, whether you are using Windows or Mac. In today's video, I'm going to show you the exact shortcut and hack for both Mac and Windows to supercharge your productivity by 10x. So without wasting any time, let's dive right into the Excel hidden magic. Today, I'm going to show you Excel's sum and AutoSum function, which you can use to supercharge your productivity. Friends, when you have to do the total of this particular column, what exactly you do, you apply equal to sum formula and take the total of Jan month and apply like this. What if I can tell you that you can do thousands of rows and column total in just a second without typing a single formula? Okay, if you're using a macOS, you just have to simply select this entire data which you want to do the total, and you have to click on option button, and then you have to activate your home command, and after that you have to type U. You can see the AutoSum function is appearing right now. You just have to simply click on S, and you can see that the total of rows and column wise is appearing now. I haven't applied a single formula, right? You can see the entire total is appearing. Not only that, okay, what you can do, just click on this AutoSum option, and if you want to apply an average of this total, you can just simply click on the average. You can see the average of all the total is appearing horizontally as well as vertically. Not only that, you just have to simply click on count. If you wanted to take the count of row wise as well as the column wise, you can take the total of count as well. Okay, not only that, friends, if you wanted to take the maximum of row wise and column wise, if you wanted to know which one is the maximum amount in row and column, you can do the total of that, okay, without typing a single formula. Friends, this is a hidden AI magic available in Excel. Most of the users don't know, okay, they are still typing each and every formula manually into the Excel. Okay, so you can stop typing manually formula in Excel, and you can use this AutoSum function to boost your productivity by 10x. Not only that, if you wanted to do the total of this two column, what you can do, you can just click on the AutoSum and click on add, and you can see, friends, the addition is already done. Okay, addition of this 14,000 and 7,600 is 21,600. You can see the total is matching, friends. Not only that, if you wanted to subtract 7,000 and 14,000, okay, you can do that also. Just simply click on minus, and you can see, friends, you have the subtracted value. Not only that, friends, if you wanted to multiply, you can do that multiplication as well. Okay, just simply click on that formula. You have to just little bit enlarge the value, and you can see the total is appearing of the multiplied values. Also, you can divide it without typing a formula, friends. You just have to simply click on divide, and it will divide 7,600 by 14,000. Friends, this is the big magic of Excel, that it has already AI, but most of the users, they don't know, and they are still typing formula manually in each and every single cell of the Excel to get the values. Okay, now I'll explain you how to use the same function in Windows. Friends, for Windows also I have selected the same example. Here you can see the product name, region, and the total amount from Jan to March. Okay, so I have already done some total which I'm deleting now, okay, just to apply the formula. So what you will be doing, friends, in order to do the total, the normal user, what they do, they apply equal to formula, equal to sum, and after that they will take the total of each and every cell one by one. Similarly, I'll be doing the total of speaker also and drag it until whatever the total I want. This was the column level total. For row level also I'll be doing the same thing. I'll apply the formula and then drag it to the all the cell wherever I want. What if I tell you that you can get the entire total in Windows also just by applying one click? Okay, you have to just select the entire data, whatever you want to do the total, and after that you just have to click on Alt plus Q button in Windows, and a dialog box will be appearing. From the dialog box, you just have to come to the total tab, and from total tab you just have to click on sum, and you can see the sum of horizontal level is appearing now. Not only that, friend, you can get the average of all the total, also the count, and then percentage if you want. Now the question will be in your mind, this is the horizontal level total, right? What if I want to get the vertical level total? Okay, so that also you can get the, friends. You just have to simply select the data and click on Alt plus Q button. Same dialog box will be appearing at the right side. Okay, you can see there is a sum option at vertical level. Okay, you just have to click on that option, and you can see the total of all the products at vertical level is appearing. Thank you for watching, friends.